I've seen so many of them.
Why? Fatto sta che appena
Like up in front of me, like my car is parked. Oh my god! Oh, oh my god! Oh, I've seen them on TikTok. I saw that. Oh my god! Fuck off! Jesus, Miriam!
Yeah, that's what I kind of. Oh my god! Oh, damn, I fell for it. Oh god! Oh shit! I was wondering what the fuck the camera was. I was like, oh my god.
Jesus! Oh, please don't put that up somewhere. No!
Oh, fuck off.
Oh my god, that was a good one.
Not funny!
That was good. That was good. Well done, man.
salir en todo.
Haha.
Okay, you're in control.
Saw you on TV before. Muy bien, bratán.
I've seen this shit on the internet.
I saw him. I see you.
I was like, what's this guy doing?
Ah, there he is, your man from the thing. Yeah, nice, shall we? Let's be fucking shown.
Oh, you motherfucker.
I always want this. Oh my god, I can never go.
Hello.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh, you're so famous to me! Oh my god, this is God! Hi! Oh
Hi.
my god, I'm so happy!
I'm happy too.
Oh my god! Thank you!
No, we're getting
The tree.
Oh my god. Oh no.
Jesus.
Oh my god. That fucking scared me, seeing her being scared.
Oh, they are coming back.
I dropped the video.
Thank you.
Got me twice.
Hey guys, yeah. Happy Halloween, scary Halloween, and let's scare some people.
I literally said look and she That's why you were filming. Be a fucking frighten the shit out of me.
I've seen them on TV.
Guys, if you're wondering what's my camera for pranks, this is how I make YouTube videos. Really nice, yeah? So that's my secret. Yeah. Hello, it's me Nixar, and today we're gonna scare people. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, that's very nice.
Thank you. Thank you. That's nice and
Jesus, sorry. I don't know what I probably trying to walk.
I saw you. I saw you when you got me. No.